It's Wednesday morning, the 4th of August, and I just got out of my Moderna swing trade, stock ticker MRNA. What I did here is I played this green daily yesterday, entering right before the close yesterday and selling this pre-market right before the open this morning. I covered roughly $1,100 on this trade, so not too bad. So let me show you guys how I found this trade. So yesterday, on top of Moderna, I also recommended Apple and Micron for a swing trade over the evening. Now in a second, I'll explain why Moderna was my number one swing trade pick, and also how you guys can get on my Discord server to get these picks every afternoon. But first, let me show you exactly how I made this swing trade. So my entry was a little bad yesterday. I got in on this last minute at the top, right before the close, and my exit was this morning, right around 7 a.m. I decided not to take risk. I was up over 1%, so when I'm up that much, I normally just take it. So I covered at 391.3, giving me roughly 1.15% profit. And in cash, that was 1,150 to be precise. And I'm pretty happy with that. You can see, like always, yes, the stock might have gone up a little bit more, but now it's back down a decent amount. So I'm happy I didn't risk losing any of this profit this morning. So back to the daily, why I thought Moderna was the best of the three yesterday. And the reason why is if you watch my last few videos, you can see that I've played Moderna every single one of these green dailies, and I've covered some decent profit off of them. So I have been playing Moderna pretty consistently off of these green dailies, and I've been winning, so I will keep it up likely until I see a good fail off of this green daily, or until the strategy just doesn't work anymore. So I will keep probably trying Moderna. I do like the way it gaps every morning and the volume it has in the pre-market. So that's really why I picked Moderna above everything else. It has gapped pretty well. And while yes, it doesn't look like it gaps that much if you look from far away, if you look close, you can see that these gaps are pretty big. It's just that Moderna has been moving so rapidly, it makes these gaps look smaller than they actually are. So Moderna has been doing well, but you can tell that with my percent profit I made today and the amount of cash I got out of it, I went even smaller than my previous times. You might be wondering why that is. So if you look at the indexes, you can see all were green yesterday. The Dow Jones, the S&P, and the NASDAQ, which at first you would think this is a good sign, you should buy, but lately I've been noticing with the market being at the new highs, every time we've had these green dailies, it's led to fails with pretty much every index. The Dow Jones had fails off of green dailies, the S&P has had fails off of green dailies, and so has the NASDAQ. So the green dailies didn't really make me feel much better. If anything, they actually made me feel more nervous about the market. So that's why I went small. Happy I did. Still got my $1,000, but I didn't have to risk too much of my profit. So looking at my watch list too, you can see a lot of them were in the green. MRNA was the best yesterday, so I did really like the setup. That's why I stuck with them. So if you guys like these swing trades and you want to learn how to do them, just check out my swing trading tutorial at the end of this video. Also, join our Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades, if you want to get my top 3 swing trade picks before the market closes. You can also ask us any questions about swing trading on here. You can find the Discord server link in the description below.